All right, so the first thing you do is turn on the water at the house, and this will dribble a little bit. I need to replace this whole thing. If it's kind of off, it'll squirt, so if you gotta kind of wiggle it and get it to where it's minimal drip coming out, that's fine. But just make sure you turn it back off when you're done. It's really easy to forget that. And this pipe runs all the way down to the barn, but I will pick up the video once I get down there. Right, see if we can see this in the dark. So that blue pipe comes all the way down here to the barn. It goes into this T-junction, which goes up and into the barn to the stalls. Now this end keeps going around this way, and you've got a little valve right here. So this is a quick connect, so you can really easily just pop this off if you want to, but you can leave it on unless it's gonna freeze. I'll put it back on in a second. But basically you just use this to turn that water off and on. And then when you're ready to water the horses, this just is pretty simple. Comes in through here and down and over each stall like this. Just make sure that that's positioned over this. It usually is. You're not gonna hurt it by twisting this around if you need to or whatever. And you just turn that valve and fill her up. It doesn't really work that well to fill them all at the same time. You can try if you want to, but I usually just do it like that. There's another one. There's the horsey. There's another one there. And there's one that goes down to the goat stall. And they don't tend to drink a whole lot of water, but this one's just a little bit further down. Let's make sure that that's underneath. If it looks dirty, you can just toss it out. But just stick it under here. But it's the same deal. Just open it there. And when it's all full, you can turn it off and you're good to go. So the only difference is if it's freezing, and yeah, that's a longer video, so you can watch that if the temperature gets below freezing. But otherwise, just make sure you turn it back off up at the house and you're good to go. Make sure all these are off when you go.